We had about 20 athletes, 30 at a push 3 years ago. Now we're touching 130 with the potential to go up to 200 hopefully this year. The good thing we've got in Blaenau Gwent and the surrounding areas up here is we have got happy children. They haven't got the money to go to the bigger clubs, to travel to Cardiff and be trained by big level coaches. So what we've got is a fantastic community spirit up here. The kids come every night. You never see anyone without smiles on the face, except halfway through the session when it is starting to hurt. But they know at the end of their session a hot chocolate and a biscuit is all what it's worth for these kids, and they're happy with that, and we're happy with the dedication they put in to come into the club each week.
Lovely. Dwi'n credu bod oherwydd ni wedi bod yma mor hir, mae pawb fel un teulu mawr ni. Os ti'n colli, mae'n iawn oherwydd pawb yn tîm a os pawb yn hapus, pawb yn hapus trwy'r amser.
Oh, it is a really family atmosphere. So the parents are involved from the moment you walk through the door. They collect the money. We're a self-funded club. The other parents coach. We've got other parents that fundraise. So it is just one big family. They're out in all weathers, but they'll come out wind, rain, shine, you name it. They train right throughout the year. And the kids can't wait to come, you know, because they've got friends here and they love the coaches so much. They'll come in absolutely any weather. Night, day, they love it.
What I get out of it is the big smiles on the children's faces. We have gone from being kids going, oh, I've come last, to big clubs like Cardiff, Swansea, saying, oops, I'm up against Blaenau Gwent again. And we are nipping at their heels, to put it bluntly. They know we are sitting just behind them, not far away.
Go BJC!